Okay. Okay, let me see how many burps I could do in 10 seconds. Ready? 1, 3. I did like 17. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Oh, I did like 11 seconds, but I have like 22 burps.